So, are you awake? Let's see if you are with this lesson. In our journey through life, we often encounter nights that seem endless and miles that feel insurmountable. These moments of struggle and exhaustion are not setbacks, but opportunities for growth. Understanding the true laws that govern our existence can turn our nights into dawns of hope and motivation. True strength is not in overpowering others, but in nurturing our own potential and inspiring those around us. We must awaken our inner strength to rise above challenges and doubts. Life is a series of moments, and our ability to be fully present in each one shapes our destiny. Being mindful means being awake and aware, grasping the opportunity in the present, and channeling it into a purpose-driven life. Our deepest strength lies within us, in our ability to be present and alert in every circumstance. By being awake and aware, we can confront challenges with unwavering confidence. Nature teaches us the importance of embracing change. Each season presents opportunities for growth, and a gentle heart awakens to new beginnings. Our hidden dreams hold the power to awaken our potential. Unveiling our aspirations is a journey of self-discovery and growth that inspires others. Daily routines, even in their simplicity, have the potential to awaken our spirits. Embracing discomfort for the sake of growth awakens us with renewed energy and determination. The night symbolizes a time for self-reflection and the exploration of authentic selves. It's an opportunity to shed the mask we wear by day and embrace our true nature. Our pursuit of knowledge and personal growth is a lifelong journey. Each moment of wakefulness offers the chance to gain valuable information and learn how to be a better version of ourselves. Preparedness and a proactive approach are key. Sometimes we wake up a step ahead of our challenges, ready to face them with resilience. Awakening to life's potential is about finding moments of joy and inspiration, even in the face of difficulty. We should strive to wake up to the beauty and opportunities that surround us. While there may be times when we falter in our desire to stay awake on our journey, these moments should motivate us to continue our path of awakening. Companionship and understanding bring a profound sense of peace. In the embrace of those who support us, we find solace and unity. This sense of togetherness can rejuvenate our spirits, allowing us to wake up to the potential of each day with a heart full of gratitude. Our journey through life is a continual awakening to our potential, embracing each moment, nurturing our inner strength, and finding inspiration in the world around us can lead to personal growth, self-discovery, and motivation. Consider subscribing to our channel. Life's challenges and joys serve as opportunities to awaken to our true potential and lead a purpose-driven existence. Stay vigilant, stay awake, and seize the moments that shape your destiny.